Hi friends, welcome to my channel again. Today I am going to unbox a new model. So without wasting time, let's do it first. So as you can see, here is the model. This is Nissan 240SX S14 from Hot Wheels Premium Fast and Furious set. One of the iconic model from the Fast and Furious movie. Those who doesn't know what is Hot Wheels Premium, it is actually more detailed version from the Hot Wheels main line, and the body and the chassis both are made by metal. As we know in Hot Wheels main line like this, the body is only made by metal, but the base or the chassis doesn't. But in the premium models we can see that both the body and the chassis made by the metal, and the tires were the rubber tires, which we can't see in the mainline version, but in premium version we can see. So if we come to the card details first, here is written Hot Wheels Premium, then Fast and Furious the logo, and here is written the name of the model, and here is written metal by metal, means I have already explained that the body and the chassis both made in metal, and the real riders because the wheels are made by rubber tires. So this is the first model of this set. As you can see, here is written 1. In the back of the car you can see here is the other 4 models which can't visible because they actually paste the MRP and the other details on the card. That's why I can't show you, but the other models are from this Fast and Furious set are mentioned here. The card is quite premium because we all know in premium cards are quite good and more valuable than the mainline versions. So let's open it first, then we will discuss the model. So here it is. It's quite a heavy model, as you can see. If we come to the front profile, we can see the headlamps are quite detailed, the grills are nice too, the indicators look quite good, and here is the other grills are quite detailed too. In the bonnet, here is written D and T, and the other some graphics have done there. If we come to the side profile, we can see here is written Toyo tires number 9, and the graphics have done here too. The rear view mirrors are quite good. The side is locked by the windows, and in the back the spoiler looks good. Here is written Nissan logo. You can see here the lights, back lamps are quite details, and the license plate is here. As we all know that premium models have the license plate, that's why it's called premium. The exhaust pipe is also seen here. Same goes with this side profile too. In the back we can see here it's written Nissan Silvia S14 GBW34 2018 metal, and the other details are written here. The wheels are quite nice, they are very smooth, they made of rubber, as I told you before. Yes, they made of rubber. So overall it's a good model to collect. Oh, the spoiler is also very cool. Overall a good model to collect. If you are a JDM lover or if you are a fan of Fast and Furious, you must go for it, and a good model to collect one also in a premium version. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. We will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. And again, don't leave the video right here because there are some cinematic shots after this. Let's enjoy it. Okay, goodbye.